Hello, today I will show you how to deploy a runpod to use 1.2.2 with a custom lora. So when you're on the runpod website, first sign in. Then you will need to add money to your account. For that, go to the billing section. I recommend just $5 or $10 at first, it will be more than enough to make pictures. You can pay by card or by crypto. Then you want to go to pod and choose a GPU. I recommend A40, it's the best for the price and one of the cheapest. You can also use another one, that means it's entirely up to you. I will go with A40. You want to change template, to choose a one or Comfy UI template. I will take this one, but any template with Comfy UI in style will work. Then you want to edit the template to make sure you have some disk space. Here this one has 0 at first, so because we will download models, you need to add. I will put 100 and then deploy. Now you have to wait a bit. It will take maybe 5 to 10 minutes to connect. It needs to download a lot of models. That's why it takes so long. So I will fast forward a bit. Okay, here you see on our Connect tab, we got Jupyter Lab on Comfy UI. First we will go to Jupyter Lab. It's our interface to add some models. So for the base model, we will download it with a terminal, copy pasting the command I will give you in the description. It will automatically download it in the right folder. It will take like maybe 3 minutes. During this time, we will also upload our custom lora. So for this one, we cannot download it like this from a URL because it's on our computer. So we will drag and drop it in the lora folder. So go in Comfy UI, models, lora, and bring it and drag and drop it inside the folder in the interface. You have a warning because this is a big file. And upload. It will take maybe 5 minutes to upload, depending on your connection speed. Okay, I fast forward. So we got both our models downloaded, so we can now open Comfy UI. When it's ready, you can click it to open it. It may take like 1 or 2 minutes to open for the first time. Okay, you don't need the default models because we will import our custom workflow. So take one of the samples that was with the lora and you can drag and drop it inside Comfy UI. So it's often missing some nodes, so you can just install the missing ones, and when it's done, restart the UI. When you click restart, you can close the tab and open it again or refresh the page. Okay, so now we open it again and we don't have warning. So it means we are ready to work. So first you will click for every model and make sure it's inside the folders. So the one in light gray that are proposed here is the one that are inside the folders. So make sure you have all of them. So GGUF, clip, VAE, and both your loras. The first lora is LightX to make it generate faster in less steps, and the second lora, EGBD, is the one I use here, but feel free to use your own. For the first generation, it will take about 3 minutes because it needs to load the models first, but the subsequent generations will be much faster, like maybe 1 minute each, depending on the size of the image. So I fast forward here a little bit. Okay, so we got our first image, very realistic one image. To make it faster, we can reduce the base size of the image. So this is a 8. Instead of 1200, I put 800 and execute again. Okay, this time the image takes only 1 minute to make. Of course, the quality is a bit lower. So to download your image, you want to go back into Jupyter interface, Comfy UI, output, and you can double click on your image to open it in the interface and see it. Or you can simply right click and download to have it on your own computer. Now, let's say we are done. You need to turn off the pod, otherwise it will keep draining your money. So it's done in 2 steps. First step is the stop button to stop the pod. But if you only do this, it will keep the pod ready to use again. And except if you want to use it really soon, I recommend to completely terminate it, so it's completely stop draining your money. And that's it. You got your images